Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Tyson, and today we're diving into the world of ClickFunnels 2.0 to cover a important yet simple thing that is often overlooked when it comes to branding inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Specifically, we're going to be diving into how to set up your Favicon images for your funnels and your sites inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. This is going to be super important when it comes to brand recognition and just making sure that everything looks cohesive with your brand throughout the different pages of either your site or your funnels. Either way, it's going to apply for all of them. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into the platform here and I'll show you how to set everything up. Okay, we're currently inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now from here, what we want to do is click on sites over in the left-hand navigation. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the little gear icon right over here inside of the overview tab. Now by default, whenever you click on sites within the left navigation, it'll bring you to this location. So anyways, from here, once you're in overview, click on the gear icon right here to take you to the site settings for this particular workspace. Now, once we're here, you'll be pretty much exactly where you need to be, which is going to be the area right here at the very top of the page for site information. Just adjust the image right here that's being used for the site Favicon, and you're good to go. Now, the image that will display right here, now it's showing ClickFunnels right now, but for all my other pages, it's showing this icon instead. So whatever you place here will appear for your site, your funnels, your pages, all that across the board as soon as it is applied and updated. It can take a little bit for it to actually update and upload. I've seen it take up to like, it's pretty quick, but usually around like an hour or so, and then all the pages are looking great after that. Okay, now from here, there's another way we can do this. We can actually do it page specifically. You know, if you want to have something different for an individual funnel page or funnel pages, either way, we just have to add a little bit of code to actually achieve that. So if we head to funnels over here in the secondary navigation right here. From there, we'll head to an example funnel. Let's go to this guy right here, right? Now, inside of the first step inside of the funnel, we'll go ahead and just open this up inside of the editor and head to the code option at the very top of the page. Click on edit, right? Now on the right hand side, we have the option for code. Click on that directly. And from there, go ahead and head to header code right here. All right, now there's a simple code that we can add here that will allow you to use and utilize different images for your Favicon image. And that's going to be this. Let me just type it out real quick. Okay, here we go. So this is the code we actually want to use in this case. All you have to do is copy and paste this. I'll put this in the description just so you have it. Again, just copy and paste. Now, the only portion that we need to go and adjust is going to be this guy right here. We need to actually put an image location or URL inside of this bracket or inside of these quotation marks. Once you do that, it will apply that as the Favicon image for the page that this is on. So you have to do this per page if you want anything different from what you have set up in your site settings. But in this case, if that is the case, if you want to go this route, we'll go over here and we'll add an image element just because it makes it super easy. We'll go ahead and let me add a row. We do one column so I can add an image element. Click on image. Now from there, we're gonna go ahead and click into this. That way we can access our image library. Now all you have to do is click on the little icon right over here to access that. Upload your image directly in here if it's not already here. Now if you have it, awesome. If you don't, just make sure to upload it. In this case, I'm gonna use this one as the example. There we go. That's the one we want to use as the Favicon image. Now from here, we just have to copy the URL that's displaying right here for image URL. Once you select the image, you're gonna have the correct one in place there, or double click, or you can hit Control or Command, whether you're using Windows or Mac. If you're using Mac, hit Command A. If you're using Windows, hit Control A, and it'll select the entirety of that link. From there, on your keyboard, hit Command C if you're using Mac, and Control C if you're using Windows. There we go. Now all you have to do from there is go back to the code option right here, go back to header code, and just paste in the URL that we have here for the link. Just click on that directly. There we go. And just like that, now you're good to go. All you have to do is save after that, and this guy is ready to rock. Again, I'll have this link or this code here that you can use in the description in case you need it. Otherwise, you can choose the option that we set up or went over before in the site settings, and that will apply the same Favicon image for every page inside of your account, from sites to pages to everything, everything entirely. It's going to have the same Favicon image. But anyways, just save that, and from there, we'll see that the image will adjust. It might take a second or two. If we go here and preview, there we go. It's super tiny, but we can see that the Favicon image is now that. It's no longer the triangles, you know, the actual brand logo for Connection Allies, but in this case, it is this guy. You can kind of see a resemblance a little bit. Obviously, I'm not going to use that, but just want to use it as an example. All right, that's all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions or concerns about anything I've gone over, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you need any help at all within ClickFunnels 2.0, I am more than happy to help as well. This is what I do. I'm a certified funnel builder. Feel free to reach out using the form in the description below. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video.